Clung to a blindfold and a book. I couldn't think, I couldn't look. A car careening off the road. I spoke like a riddle in a dream. My heart was pumping gasoline. I still was sleeping when I woke. Oh. My head ran away and then my heart, the whole caboodle fell apart. I didn't notice I was gone. Now there is music, there is light, and there is laughter, there is sight. I am new and I am strong. Ooh, free me, scrub away my callous thoughts, release me, clean me. There's water in the creek, and I will wash away my sad defeats and start this all anew. I thought that I knew it all before. My cup was spilling on the floor. I had to pour it down the drain. Now I can fill it up anew with something real, with something true. I'm standing naked in the rain. Ooh, free me, scrub away my callous thoughts, release me, clean me. There's water in the creek, and I will wash away my sad defeats and start this all anew. The beginner's mind will see that there's a forest for the trees, and that we're smaller than the sum of who we are. With a whisper or a shout, the voice will shake you in and out and leave you empty as a midnight boulevard. Scrub away my callous thoughts, release me, clean me. There's water in the creek, and I will wash away my sad defeats and start this all anew. You look like hell tonight, I don't believe the sight. I haven't seen you since we had that awful fight. It's been so long since I heard you say goodbye, and now I don't know what to say. Why are you standing here? Why did you reappear? I thought you'd had enough of all this stupid stuff. You wanted more from me, a perfect symmetry, but I just wasn't ever right. Go back into the darkness from whence you came. Go back into the darkness and stop these games. Oh, I don't know what you want from me. I gave you all that I could be, so take this pocket of angels and go away. You always wanted more than I was ready for. I this and stop these games. Oh, I don't know what you want from me. I gave you all that I could be, so take this pocket of angels and go away. Oh, can't you see that I'm landed on my feet and I'm doing just fine? I'm doing just fine. I don't need you to beg or to plead. All the things that you need, all the things that you need. Go back into the darkness from whence you came. Go back into the darkness and stop these games. I don't know what you want from me. I gave you all that I could be, so take this pocket of angels and go away. Take this pocket of angels and go away.